Hi everybody and welcome to the video. So today we are going to be talking about the Versatile Pro from Vertex, the Pro 750 wet saw. Now, if this is the first video you've seen of mine, you probably don't care and you just want to find out about the cutter. But I've been a mechanic for 20 years and I've just retrained in becoming a tiler. So I've just done the MVQ course for it all. And now I'm setting myself up with all the equipment around different bits and bobs. So we're going to be going through lots of different products that we've had to get from the kit that we got through from it all. So I did that, I'm based in England, and I did that down at Gold Trowel, and Doug down there, he sets us up with a brochure of all the bits and bobs that you might need, and you can buy some bits from there. And this was actually the wet cutter that we used on the course as well. So, you know, it was a no-brainer to get it. He said it was a good one, a really good one for the money as well. I think I paid £129 for this wet cutter. So yeah, so we'll get into it now. Specifications, I'll just read them out quickly for you. This is a 240 volt, 50 hertz. It's got a 750 watt motor. RPM, no load is 2,800. Maximum sound level is 95 decibels. Maximum depth of cut is 25 mil with a new blade. Maximum depth of cut of 45 is 17 mil. So, very interesting. Direct drive products, consistent cutting speed with ultra smooth cuts. Super quiet induction motor. Automatic overload protection to prevent overheating. 180 x 60 mil diamond blade with continuous rim for extra clean cut. Extra large cast iron cutting table for supporting oversized tiles. Cutting tiles tilts from 15, 30 and 45 degree miters. Integral ruler and quick lock aluminium rip guide for perfect straight cuts. Fully adjustable mitre guide for cutting tiles at any angle. Water cooling system with large reservoir and integrated drainage. Transparent wheel guard with variable adjustment heights. Moulded 3-pin plug and convenient built-in carry handle and cable tidy. So there we go. So this is it. Now, it says it cuts porcelain, ceramic, granite, marble and natural stone. Straight cuts, angle cuts and mitered cuts. 25 mil, cuts tiles up to 25 mils thick, so it cuts tiles up to 25 mil thick. It's quite high. Let's see what we've got inside. Right. This is brand new. Here we go. So it is what, 54.5 centimeters by sort of 49 centimeters, so just over half a meter square. Let's get out of the box. Ooh. There we go, that's it. It's pretty portable. The good thing about it as well was the portability of it all. So if you wanted to set this up inside a house, you can do so. Oh look, there's the carry handle. Carry handle, look at that. Boom. Carry that big bad boy. And obviously you can see the cable tidy on the side there as well, which is good. So this is the like that. Yeah, no doubt you can lock that into place. So you've got a nice guide to guide it down. It's really sharp. Watch out for that. Bastard. So inside here is the drain tray. And the bung for the drainage in there. And then inside here we have the book, blades. Oh, that must be the mitre angled section. So if you want to mitre it, okay. So if you want to mitre it at 30 degrees, you put it on like that, and then no doubt you push it across. Oh, I'll tell you what, it is sharp, man. Like, I've really actually cut my fingers up quite a lot, and all I did was open it up, so I've really got to be careful. I mean, it's pretty rugged. I chopped my finger up there and there. So anyway, 30 degrees on that one, 15 degrees on that one. Didn't know that. So I'll leave that, put it back in there for now. In here, what have we got? We've got a standard 180 by 16 mil wet cut blade. That's a standard blade. So what we have here, now Doug supplied me, I don't think it comes with it. It might come with it, I'm not sure. Actually, I don't think it does. I'm going to say it doesn't. A replacement diamond blade. So yeah, so there we go. That's the other one that I've got, which has come with it, which is the one I'm going to probably put on it, to be fair. The states all on the back, the ones we have. So I'm going to go straight in with that one, because it's clearly a better one than the standard one, as it doesn't state you can cut porcelain. And not saying that you need it for porcelain. Obviously, if you're just doing a home job and you've got ceramic, you'll be fine. But I know that coming up in the jobs, we've got a lot of porcelain. So yeah, that's that. So I'm going to install that one. I say lots of jobs, so I've set up a new company called Trident Bathroom Renovations Limited. Go check us out, go check out our website, and we're going to be doing bathroom renovations. So we're going to be doing a lot of bathrooms, and a lot of the people supplying their tiles, and a lot of them are buying massive porcelain. So it's going to be a pretty scary few sessions, but hey, we've got to jump in at the deep end, didn't you? Right, so let's have a quick look at this. Okay, just screw that in there, fill with water. Right, oh, it's got 2 screws in there, which you take out and put that in there. And then this is to, the legs. This is what I wanted. And then, there we go, just push our legs on. They're very easy actually. So easy that you might lose 1 or 2 to maybe a little blob of super glue before we put them in. And it's rubber as well, so it gives us some vibration. Right, let's unscrew it. We'll use a proper screwdriver. Right, so you don't just screw it on the top. You have to like slide it in. It still doesn't really fit in very well anyway. I lost the screw. And this is the protective bit. It does fire up quite a bit of water when you use it. Right, what we'll do now is we'll install the good cutting blade. Oh, fucking thing, look at that. You take that off, that's a 16 mil. You turn it around, it's 22. No one tells you any of this stuff, do they? Right, there we go. I can stop panicking now. And then it comes with a handy little tool to tighten it up. Yeah, there we go. So that is now tight. There we go. Really, right. So then we've got that. Then we can do a 45, and then we can. That's a good thingy. Then we can put our tile on here. Yeah, and then we can cut that at 45. Well, that's quite good. Like that. Right, nothing else left in there. We'll make sure that the bung is in, and we'll fill it up with some water. There we go. Fill it up with water. What I'll do is I'll spin it around so you can see me work my magic. So ideally, I could probably scribe this off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move it over onto here and then move this across to the line that it needs to be. There we go, lock that in place. Yep, super locked. Here we go, so we'll run this through here, see how it cuts, see how loud it is, all the rest, see how wet we get. Let's just put it down here. Oh yeah. There we go. Very clean cut actually. I'll come around and show you. So here we go, we've just done this bit here, and very clean cut through from that, so that's good. Happy with that. So that's that long one we needed to do. Wetness wise, a little bit damp. Did keep it quite contained. It was quite quiet actually, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, nice. Yeah, relatively quick to be fair, nice, felt good. Yeah, felt really good actually, felt really good. So this are the two bits that I've got, which I need to go and install. It worked amazingly well actually, really impressed with that. So, two good cuts. The edges aren't sharp, like leaving off sharp bits. Slight chipping on the bottom there, but I did push that one through a bit harder. But overall, yeah, I think that worked really well. £129, and it's like a professional grade, and it's got everything I think we're going to need for it all. Like any sort of tiles, this goes to 25 one side. I mean, it could probably go to like 45s. So that's a decent size tile to be using this for without having to get anything more industrial. It goes 25mm, which is real thick tile. So I think this is going to be good for a lot of what I need to do. So if you found this video helpful at all about, if you're looking to buy a wet cutter, or if you like this wet cutter, I'm going to be doing more tools, more bits and bobs to do with tiling. So if you are interested in any of that, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.